Hi dear students, today our topic is correction of errors in noun. We have to correct the errors in noun, so we have to choose the correct sentence from the given options. Sentence number 1 is my sheep are grazing in the field. My sheep are grazing. So here you should know that there is no word like sheeps. Sheeps is not a plural of sheep. That's why it is incorrect and we have to correct it now. Option number 1 is my sheep are grazing in the field. So it seems correct because sheep is singular and it is used in the plural sense and the verb is used as are. So my sheep are grazing in the field. It seems correct, but let's see other options as well. Our sheep are grazing in the field. Our sheep are. So these are very different. Our sheep and are cannot be used with a. So this is incorrect. Option number C is my sheeps was grazing. So sheeps is also incorrect and was cannot be used with a plural word. That's why we will not consider it. And option number D is my sheeps were grazing in the field. So as I told you earlier that sheeps is not a correct word. So we will not consider this sentence as well. So our correct option is my sheep are grazing in the field, A option. So here sheeps was incorrect and we have to correct it like sheep. Let's move towards sentence number 2. The wages of sin are hell. The wages of sin are hell. Wages is a word that is used as a reward or that is used to tell you that something like a salary of a person. So wage and wages both are correct. Singular is wage and the plural is wages. But when it is used for sin, like the wages of sin, so this is the word that is written in the Bible. So we have to read it like this. So here it is used as a reward of a sin, and as it is used in the Bible as well in the same sentence, so we have to use it as a same. The wages of sin is hell. B option is the right one. Let's move towards number 3. My spectacle is new. There are few nouns that are used in pairs like socks, spectacles, glasses. So we cannot use it as a singular entity. We have to use it as plural word with S. My spectacles, my spectacles. Same is for scissors, pants, trousers, tongs, drawers, breeches, scales, tweezers. So these words are used as a plural and they take plural verb for their completion. So we will say, my spectacles are new. So let's see option number 1. My spectacle are new. Spectacle is a wrong word. Option B. My spectacles is new. Is wrong. Option number C. My spectacle is new. Spectacle again it is wrong. And D. My spectacles are new. This option D option is the right one as spectacles and it is taking a plural verb that is are. Let's move towards next sentence that is your criteria for grading my report is unfair. So here we should know that criteria it is a plural word and criterion is a singular. So criteria as it is a plural word so we will use a plural verb with this plural noun. Let's see first option number A that is your criteria for grading my report was unfair. So was is again a singular verb so we will not use it. Next option is your criterion for my grading my report are unfair. So criterion is a singular word, are is a plural verb so we will not use are with criterion. Option number C is your criteria for grading my report are unfair. Yes, this is the right option. Criteria, plural, are plural. So we will use this sentence as correct sentence. Your criteria for grading my report are unfair. Let's see option number 4. That is D option. Your criteria for grading my report is unfair. Again, this is incorrect sentence. So option C is the right one. Let's move towards sentence number 5. My uncle gave me many advices. Many advices. So you should know that advices is not a right word. Advice is an abstract noun. An abstract noun normally they do not have any plural. So for these words we use pieces of advices. Pieces of advices, right? So let's see that which option is the right one. My uncle gave me many pieces of advices. Advices again, advices is using as a plural, so we will not consider it. Option number B is my uncle gave me many pieces of advice. Yes, it seems correct. Many pieces of advice. Option number C is my uncle gave me much pieces of advice. So much is not used with pieces of advice. And D is my uncle gave me many pieces of advices. Again, this is incorrect as it is using advices. So option B is the right one, pieces of advice. And here I told you the rule that with advice, with work and other words like this, we will not use plurals, we use pieces of. Like, take it. Let's move towards sentence number 6. Her hairs are white. Again, the rule is hairs. Hairs is the wrong word. The plural of hair is not hairs. If we are using this word for the human hair, like the hair of our head, we will not use s with the hair. And normally they do not take plural verbs with them. So her hair is white should be the right one. So let's see which option suits us. Her hairs is white, A option. Her hair are white, again wrong. Hair are. And C option is her hairs were white. And the last one is her hair is white. So what will you say? That which option should be the right one? Yes, the last option is the right one, that her hair is white, because hair is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. So we will not use s with the hair and we will use singular verb with hair, like, okay? But there's an exception, that if you are using this word for 1, 2 or 3 hair, like an individual hair, so you can use it as a singular or as a plural. For example, she found a hair in her soap. This is right one, a hair in her soap. So this is right. The cat has left many white hairs all over the rug. All over the rug. So hairs is also correct because it is using for the cat hairs, and the hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hairs she has scattered on the carpet. So if we can use hairs here in this exception. And he has 2 white hairs in his beard, or this option is also correct, because in beard if you are using this word for 1 or 2 hair to specify them, you can use hairs in these cases. Otherwise normally we do not use hairs and we do not use plural verb with hair. Let's move towards next sentence, that is I bought 2 dozens eggs. Here you should note that words like dozen, score, hundred, million, billion, or thousand, if these words are used separately, they would be singular. There will be no s with these words. But if they are taking off soon after that, they will be used as plural. For example, 4 dozen eggs or dozens of eggs. So these are 2 different words and different concepts you should understand. Let's see option number A. I bought 2 dozen eggs. Apparently it seems correct, but let's see other options as well. I bought 2 dozens of eggs. 2 dozens of eggs. So it is also going right. Dozens of, right? I bought 2 dozens eggs. 2 dozens eggs. And I told you that if there is no of after dozen, we will not use s with dozen. Option D is I bought 2 dozens eggs is also incorrect. So let's see which option is correct, A or B. You should know that with 2, this is not dozens, right? 2 dozen is the right option. 2 dozen, because we are using in the sense that 2 dozen eggs, do darjan ande, do darjano ande is the wrong option. So A option will be the right one. If the dozen word would be in the front of the in the start of the sentence, dozens of eggs were bought, so it will be the correct option. But with 1 2 3 4 5 6 we cannot use dozens, we will only use dozen without s. If it is using if it is being used separately, then we can use s with these words like hundreds of people, thousands of people, millions of miles. We can use s with these words in such conditions. Hope you have understood. Our next sentence is also a repetition of the previous concept. We have many works to do. So I told you that works to do and advices, these are the wrong words. We use pieces of work and pieces of advice for such words. And I also told you that when we use pieces, we do not use s with the noun. So in these options, let's see. We have many works to do. We have much works to do. We have much work to do, or we have many pieces of works to do. So option C and D. Between these two choices, we have to choose the right one. Option D, we have many pieces of works to do. As I told you earlier, that we cannot use S with the work, so we will not go for this option. If there was no S with work, then this option would be the right one, but we will consider C option as the right one. We have much work to do. But if you have any option in your exam or in your options that we have many pieces of work to do, then you will go for that option. Our next sentence is, I went to Murray during summer vacations. This is also a misconception. Vacations. You must have heard many people saying this word vacations. We are going on vacations. We have vacations. So vacations basically is a wrong word. We cannot use s with vacation because vacation is already a plural word. Like you cannot use s with children, like child and children. Children is also a plural word. Vacation is also a plural word. We cannot use s with it. Okay, now I went to Murray during the summer vacations. Wrong option. I went to Murray during the summer vacation. VOCATION. Vacation. Vacation means occupation. Occupation, pesha, koi kaam. Like, see, I went to Murray during the summer vacation. This option looks correct. And I went to Murray during a summer vacations. Again, this is a wrong option. So summer vacation, C option is the right one. You should know that there is no word like vacations. There is only vacation. Sentence number 10, the United States have a large navy. The United States. Actually, this is the name of a country. Consider it is Pakistan. Pakistan have a large navy. So with Pakistan, it's a singular entity. We have to use singular verb with it. Okay. So don't confuse the United States. United States, states like its plural state and states, but it is being used as a name of a country, so we will not use have with it. We have to use has with it. The United States has a large navy. United States is a wrong word. States is the right word, right? B option, the United States have wrong. C, the United States have been wrong. The United States has a large navy. Option D is the right one. United States and has. Okay. Let's move towards sentence number 11. 10 miles are a long distance. 10 miles is a long distance is the right one because we use singular verb with miles. Okay. Number 12 is, we do not want vermins in our house, but it is here anyway. Vermins. Vermins is not a word. The correct word is vermin. Vermin means small insects, objectionable insects like fleas, like lice. So they are used as a plural. There is no need to write s with vermin, and we have to use plural verb with it. Plural verb. So what will be the answer of this sentence number 12? Write me in the comment. Thank you. Bye. And it is just a bye for now, because we will continue this topic from sentence number 13 in our next video. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Thank you.